Hello students, good morning. Welcome you all to my English class. Students, today I am sitting under the open sky. It is very nice morning and I thought to teach you today from here only. Students, today I am making this video for the students of standard 9 for the same chapter for which I have already uploaded 2 videos. I hope you all have gone through the videos very closely. And now I'm making this video and this is part 3 of the same chapter. The title of the chapter is A Truly Beautiful Mind. I repeat once again, the title of the chapter is A Truly Beautiful Mind. The story is all about Albert Einstein, the great scientist Albert Einstein. We have completed up to here. You can see on your screen, up to here we have completed. So we have to move for the next slide. So let's move. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. Unraveling means starting to fail. When Albert Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. Means at the same time, his personal life, his private life was not good. There were so many problems. Albert had wanted to marry Maliva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. See, Albert Einstein had wanted to marry Maliva, his friend. He wanted to marry her, but his mother, see the first photograph, Pauline Einstein. His mother's name was Pauline Einstein. So his mother was in against of their marriage. She thought Maliva, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. Albert Einstein's mother, Pauline Einstein, thought Maliva was not suitable for her son Albert Einstein because Maliva was 3 years older than Albert Einstein. At the same time, Pauline Einstein, Albert Einstein's mother, was tensed because of Maliva's intelligence. She thought Maliva also was like her son Albert Einstein. She thought Maliva was like a book. So that Albert Einstein's mother, Pauline Einstein, was in against of their marriage. She thought they were not suitable for each other. So that Einstein put the wedding off for. That's why Albert Einstein put the wedding off. The pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. Although Pauline Einstein, Albert Einstein's mother, was in against of their marriage, they finally married. Means Albert Einstein went in against of his mother and married his beloved girl Maliva in the year 1903, and fortunately they had 2 sons. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. Faltered means became weak. After their marriage, The few years went well, and then suddenly the marriage faltered, means became very weak, means their private marital life was not good after few years. Maliva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. Maliva, Einstein's wife, was not happy in her marital life because her ambition was something more and she was losing her ambition. She was losing her ambition. She was not happy in her marital life. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. After constant fighting, it means the couple were not happy to each other. Einstein and his wife Maliva were fighting each other constantly. So after some years, finally in the year 1919, they divorced and separated. But in the same year, 1919, Albert Einstein again married his cousin Elsa. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. But as he married his cousin Elsa, suddenly he started getting popularity in his professional life. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. In the year 1915, Albert Einstein had published his general theory of relativity that proved a new interpretation of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. And what the general theory of relativity he had published in the year 1915 that proved an eclipse that proved because it was accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected. Deflected means changed direction because it hit something. Through the sun's gravitational field, the newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. According to his theory, it proved that it is very clearly written here, Einstein had correctly calculated in advance, means before he already calculated that because of the gravitational force, when people see standing on the earth, when people see a star, actually the direction or the position of that star is different because it deflected. So because of his theory, it was worldwide popular and the newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution because his general theory of relativity brought the revolution in the scientific world of physics. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Albert Einstein was honored and he received the Nobel Prize for Physics because he became so popular because of his theories. in the year 1921. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. Because of his success, almost all countries invited him for his honor by the press, means newspaper, lauded him. Lauded means honored him, appreciated him, admired him, and finally he became one of the most successful scientists of the world. So students, we have completed up to here. We came to know that Albert Einstein became so popular after his theories, general theory of relativity. So in the year 1921, he received the Nobel Prize for Physics. Students, in my next video, I will explain the rest of the story. So till then, be happy. Thank you very much. Bye.